up at Little Pine Dam after all the heavy rain. So right up there is, they got 3 cones blocking the entrance to Little Pine State Park. And you can see how high the lake is there. And here's the road. It just disappears right into the lake. That is so crazy. Definitely never seen this before. And yeah, I'm guessing the archery range is closed. That is wild. So yeah, the lake level is enough to completely inundate the entire entrance to Little Pine. Wild. And now we're gonna head up to the top and show you up there. Alright, now there's the lake. You can see all the debris, how massive it is, full. And it's right about in here. I'll show you this little walkway that goes down. Oh, it's further up there. Anyway, there's a building that's usually sticking out quite a ways, and it is completely underwater. Not visible at all. That's where the actual drain is, and then I'll show you that view of the output. Man, what's that guy doing? See that guy on the edge of the water? Man, I might be filming a horrible accident. He was standing on that little edge. You guys can see this, but there's a guy down there. You saw him earlier. He was trying to fish above where the outlet is, which doesn't make sense because unless you're snagging them as they come through, but well, you better be careful. Yeah, it's pretty violent. There's usually isn't that building usually up like about 10 feet? Yeah, that is crazy, man, because you can't see any evidence that it even was there. There's the stairs that lead to it. I'll show you up here. So yeah, it's a, I don't know, you've probably seen these in lakes before, but it's just a building where the actual drain is that goes through the dam. So here's the steps that lead down to it, and then you would walk out onto a platform, and like I said, it usually stuck up like 10 feet. It's not there at all. Probably the highest I've ever seen it.